Today we are exploring Hogsback with a bunch of schools, and we're doing some orienteering with Orienteering Ottawa.
What side is the water on now?
I want to turn my map so that the water is on the left side.
The part about today is just getting the kids outside, seeing them run around out here, enjoying the nice weather that we have, and working as a team to try and find all the different spots. The kids will all get a map, and the map shows a bunch of different locations where they would try to meet each one of them. The idea is they want to try and get through the course as quickly as possible, and they can choose whatever route they want to go through it. So once they get to one of the markers, they're going to flag it by using a little key fob to show that they've been there, and it's going to track that they've reached that location. And the idea is they're trying to find the best way through this as quickly as possible to get back to the final. So it's a bit of cross-country running, but it's also a little bit of hide-and-seek type thing too. My hope for today is just to get kids interested in looking at outdoor activities. There's lots of different opportunities for them, and this is a sport that many of them haven't had a chance to try yet. So a lot of the kids that are here are teamed up into groups, and they're working together as a team. And I find it's a good opportunity for them to make those connections with each other outside of the normal classroom. One of the big things that I think with our board theme this year at Building Bridges is just making those connections with other people in general, but other schools as well. They're having fun, and that's the best part of the day for sure.